Hello everyone, I'm Ted Oakley. I'm Managing Partner at Oxbow Advisors. I want to welcome you to the Oxbow website, and I'm sure you want to know a few things about Oxbow. Let me just say this, about 35 years ago I started working with business owners after sale, and that's sort of how we became who we are today. We still work with a number of business owners after sale all over the United States, but we also work with many other wealthy investors. What happens with us is that, and we'd advise this over time, is that we ended up with a situation where we were really looking for preservation of capital and a balanced approach. And so when you go and look at the Oxbow Principals on the website, you'll see that we have two things. We have base capital and we have investment capital. Those are the things we think people should consider. Why base capital? Because there are times, not too often, but there are times during a decade when if you had the right type of liquidity, you could really make some purchases that were of great value, much more so than at any other time. So what we do at Oxbow is this. We look at a three-strategy approach. And what you'll see is we have a conservative fixed income strategy, which consists of short-term maturities, consists of assets that are very high quality, and thirdly, it is very low volatility. So the money that you have in that particular strategy matches well with what we call base capital. Almost all of our investors have a portion of that there. Not everyone, but a lot of them do. But that's called a conservative fixed income strategy. The second strategy we have is called a high income strategy. It's an aggressive income strategy that's designed to beat the bond market, which it has over the years. It has many asset classes in it, and it also has many types of securities within those asset classes. In addition, everything that's in that strategy has to pay above average income. Because again, what we're looking for in the high income strategy is to beat the bond market over time. And thirdly, our stock strategy, which is long-term growth, is designed to own companies that can grow above average for a long period of time. We're looking for companies that have low debt, a lot of cash on the balance sheet. They're in a position to where they can keep their margins high, their profit margins in good shape. And we're looking for companies we can own a long time. One of the things we find about people is that they tend to have a really great investment in a company, but they sell it too early, end up paying the tax on it. We want to own companies that we can own for years. And that's how we feel like you will make the most money in the long run. So when you look at everything we do, I come back to this. I come back to, if you're an investor that's looking for preservation of capital and a balanced approach, I think you'll find what we do at Oxbow to be very interesting. So if you have any questions about that, please call us or send us a question at the website, and we'd be glad to get back to you. Thanks.